Stock ticker symbol USRM, currently traded at 0380. You guys, we've went through this one multiple times. You guys all know that. The last time we went through it was going to be on Friday. I said 0301, gap at 0301 and 0287. Watch for bounce off the 10-day simple moving average 0262. Support at 0262, 0239, and 0178. Resistance again at the 0326 and 04. You guys are getting pretty close up to that resistance. There are two gaps there. Looking to the past here, there is a gap down here that never filled. Never look back off of it right now. I would keep a watch on it. You guys did get to bounce off the 10-day simple moving average, which is what I was looking for, now up 21%. There is a gap there. There's a very good possibility you can keep going if it breaks a 04. We're going to keep an eye on this one.
All right, so I didn't go over it the last two times with you. They had a press release on March 15th, and it was U.S. stem cell releases positive 2016 financial results. Highlights include increased revenue, decreased liabilities, decrease in expenses, net loss improvement, and cash positive at year end. So U.S. Stem Cell Incorporated, a Florida corporation and leader in novel regenerative medicine solutions and physician-based stem cell therapies for human and animal patients, is pleased to announce the following results from operations for the year ending December 31st, 2016. U.S. Stem Cell Incorporated continues to increase revenues, decrease liabilities, and decrease operating expenses, said Mike Tomas, President and CEO of U.S. Stem Cell Incorporated. As a leader in stem cell research and development for degenerative conditions, we are excited about the industry's future and dedicated to making a positive impact in our patients' lives. Working with physician partners to offer over 30 protocols to patients, U.S. Stem Cell Incorporated is increasing business opportunities by expanding its services, treatments, and therapies both inside and outside the United States. So financial highlights from 2016 include revenue up by 38% from $2.2 million in 2015 to $3.03 million in 2016. Current liabilities down $1.9 million or 23.8% from $8 million in 2015 to $6.1 million in 2016. Operating expenses down 16.5% or $631,825 from $3.82 million in 2015 to $3.19 million in 2016. Net loss improved 136% from $2.6 million. It's a gain in 2015 to 1.15 million in 2016. So let's see. And for the first time in the company's history, U.S. Stem Cell ended the year on a cash positive note, $108,596 cash positive as a result of operations in 2016, compared to $844,690 of cash negative from operations in 2015. So operating results for the year ended December 31st are not necessarily indicative of the results that can be expected for the year ending December 31st, 2017. So that is pretty much that. That's the latest press release that they had. I mean, they're on the QB. We've obviously gone over it a few times, so I'm pretty much familiar with this company now. Because you know how you got certain ones that kind of stick out to you? Well, this one stuck out to me because these guys, they reached an agreement. They had like that you know, the pending like legal issue with one of the investors. They reached an agreement with that. Everything's all squared away, and obviously everything seems to be going well. So if you have an opinion on the company, you want to do more due diligence on it, just go right over to that USRM board over there on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time it sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that USRM message board.
All right, and remember all that stuff that Joe just went over, all the buttons right here, time and sales, all other charts, other sites rather, charge you for this stuff. And we offer it completely free over on investorshangout.com. And also remember with the chart, like I said, I mean, I talk about the gaps here. And one thing that's important, look at down here. There's multiple gaps down here at the bottom. It never filled, and it bounced right off the same area that it is right now without filling those gaps. Although I did mention them, I'm also talking about right here where it didn't even look back. That is important. I talked about those gaps down here in the bottom. Usually in the bottom, if you get that momentum behind it, they end up not filling, at least for a long time, if ever, really. It really depends on that momentum. It's usually at the top here. When you get up to the top and that volume lets off is usually when these gaps definitely end up filling. We can see that happen here all this long. But you guys coming off that 20-day simple moving average, and even on the 13th, that was over here for all you guys that are right now just following this thing. I said the chart was starting to set up again, and that was at 0.285, and you guys are already up exactly a penny since then. Was at 30-40%, whatever the case might be. I'm not really quick on the math right now. It's pretty early. But yeah, either way, you guys are up a penny from there. When I said that the chart was setting up, just rode that 20-day simple moving average up really nicely. Although that you had the gaps right here, had that spinning top Friday, not too sure which way it was going, but I think today answered. Watch for a break to the 0.4. It can run from there, in my opinion. Resistance at 0.4, support at 0.267, 0.256, 0.183. And you got the gaps at 0.301, 0.287, 0.312, 0.333. Like I said, keep an eye on it. I think that this one could possibly keep going. You guys are climbing up to that 4 as we speak. So I'd be interested to see how this one plays out. Looking pretty good right now for USRM. Play it safe, do what you got to do, but it's setting up just like it did back here. And as always, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. If you follow this stock and want to follow all the other hot stocks that we cover, get out there and share this video. We'd appreciate that as well. You guys are the ones bringing us these stocks that we cover. Get out there and share it on different social networks, forums, and message boards. We'd appreciate it. If you have a hot stock you would like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live, and we'll do a video on your hot stock as well.